हेलो एंड वेलकम टू अ फ्यू मोमेंट्स डेली व्लॉग चैनल प्रेजेंट टू यू बाय तोशी चैटर्जी। मेरा नाम है तोशी और आज हम बनाएंगे एक मैगी का एक न्यू वर्जन, बेहद सा न्यू वर्जन। ठीक है, मैगी जो होती है 2 मिनट में, जो कि हर किस 2 मिनट में नहीं होती है। आज हम यूज़ करेंगे मैगी को एक नया सा फॉर्म में, और इस रेसिपी का नाम मैंने दिया है चीज़ चिली मैगी। तो नाम से बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लग रहा है, तो चलो फटाफट इसको बनाते हैं। और मैं आपको दिखा देती हूँ, मैंने बहुत बेसिक्स इंग्रेडिएंट्स लिए हैं इसको बनाने के लिए। ठीक है, मैंने लिया हुआ है मैगी 1 पैकेट, और मैंने 2 छोटे छोटे अनियंस लिए हैं जिसको मैंने स्लाइस में काट लिया है, काट के रखा हुआ है टू सेव द टाइम। एंड आई हैव अ स्लाइस ऑफ for all the cheesy lovers out there, this recipe is going to be super interesting for you guys. Maggi spicy with cheese, आहा हा। तो चलो क्विकली बनाना इसको शुरू करते हैं। और मैंने 1 कप पानी भी लिया हुआ है, एंड मैंने लिया हुआ है कुछ चिली फ्लेक्स। राइट, ये मैं यूज़ करूँगी, मैं दिखाऊंगी कैसे मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ, कहाँ पे यूज़ कर रही हूँ, विद सम बेसिक टिप्स एज वेल। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। ओके गाइस, सो जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं मैंने ले लिया है अपना एक इत्तू सा पैन। ठीक है, गैस को करते हैं हम ऑन, और मैंने पैन को रखा हुआ है बिल्कुल हाई फ्लेम पर। ठीक है, তো তোমরা সকলে দেখতেই পাচ্ছ আমরা প্যানটাকে এখন গরম করছি, রাইট। অ্যান্ড প্যানের সাথে সাথে আমরা গরম করে নেব আমাদের তেল, which means oil. So I will add a tablespoon of oil, right, to fry up the sliced onions. Will heat up the oil along with the pan, right. That's why I have taken it in a high flame. Okay, so now let's wait for some times. Cool, तो हमारा ऑयल जो है वो हीट अप अच्छे से हो चुका है, एंड नाउ इट्स टाइम टू ऐड दी स्लाइस्ड अनियंस। सो मैंने यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो हाउ आई हैव स्लाइस्ड दीज अनियंस वेरी थिनली। आई हैव स्लाइस्ड देम, मेक श्योर यू डू इट इन द सेम वे। ठीक है, ओके, सो लेट्स ऐड दिस कंप्लीटली एंड फ्राई देम। ऑल्सो एक न्यू वे बताऊँ, शेफ़ स्टाइल में, बस शेफ़ जैसी फीलिंग आएगी। आई ना शेफ़ जैसी फीलिंग। मुझे ऐसा करने में इस पैन में बहुत मज़ा आता है। ये कढ़ाई में नहीं हो पाता, ये पैन में ही हो पाता है। एंड आई वंडर कि रेस्टोरेंट के फूड इतने टेस्टी कैसे होते हैं, क्योंकि सारे तो शेफ़ ऐसे ही करते होंगे, पट पट। ओके कूल, सो हम अपने अनियंस को ऐसे फ्राई कर लेंगे। और रिमेंबर आई हैव केप्ट माई फ्लेम ऑन हाई। अब जो हमारा मेन इंग्रेडिएंट मैगी, टड़ा जो कि 2 मिनट में कभी नहीं बनती है, तो इसको हम थोड़ा सा तोड़ लेंगे। एज यूजुअल आपको पता ही है कि मुझे मैगी ऐसा पसंद नहीं है, तो मैं तोड़ के खाना पसंद करती हूँ। तो मैंने मैगी को यहाँ पे क्रश कर लिया थोड़ा सा। आप चाहो तो उसको ऐसे शेप में भी रख के कर सकते हो, ठीक है, ऐसा कोई इशू नहीं है। ओके, तो हमारा अनियन तो अच्छे से हो रहा है, अभी स्टार्ट हो चुका है ये ब्राउन होना बहुत अच्छे से। लेट इट ब्राउन वेल। ओके, सो अब इस फ्लेम को थोड़ा सा कम कर दीजिए, क्योंकि ज़्यादा ब्राउन नहीं करना है आपको। और वैसे भी आप पानी जब डालोगे मैगी को पकाने में, तब ये अपने आप ही कुक हो जाएगा वापस से। ओके, सो हमें जस्ट क्रस्ट चाहिए, हल्का सा फ्राई कर लो। ठीक है, इफ़ यू वांट टू ऐड गार्लिक, वाओ, यू कैन गो फॉर इट, यू कैन ऐड चॉप्ड गार्लिक्स। आई डोंट स्पेशली लाइक इट, सो आई एम नॉट एडिंग इट हियर। ओके, onions are fried now, you can see they have turned brown as well. So at this point of time, what you can do is you can add water in this right now. Remember I have told you, okay, I have not told you, ठीक है, सॉरी। तो थोड़ा सा ही पानी डालना, ज़्यादा नहीं। 1 पैकेट मैगी को बनाने के लिए you will require 1.5 cup of water, ठीक है, to cook this completely well. Sorry guys, please excuse the background noises. Okay, so again back on high flame. Back on high flame. At this point of time, we'll open the wrap and we'll put our Maggi in this as well. So we'll do it. My water has already started boiling over here. So we'll quickly pour the Maggi. Okay, we are done. Maggi masala. Comment down for sure how many of you like this masala to be like, just lick it like this only without adding it here. Many of us do. Even I do like licking it. Fine, so we'll add our masala as well. Make sure you do it fast because your water is already started boiling. So cool. See this mota part you are seeing here, which haven't been crushed properly. Make sure you put it in the middle, so it will be cooked well and fast. Lower your flame to a medium so that it gets cooked properly. And now keep on stirring like this within 30 seconds. Every 30 seconds, keep on stirring. So, okay. It's looking so yummy. So, guys, if you want, you can also add up your corn here if you have. You can also have green peas. You can add some vegetables like carrots, beans, and capsicum as well. I don't want it to be added right now. Well, I'll bring soon a video regarding that, including vegetables, cheese chili Maggi, and simple spicy vegetable Maggi. I'll bring those videos as well, but for now it's simple cheese chili Maggi, and I'm sure those who are spicy lovers and also cheese lovers, they are going to love this. Please do try it at home and comment below how is it and how do you like it. Okay, so turn your flame to low, completely low. Okay, and at this point of time, I'm going to add chili flakes. Chili flakes, yeah. So I have taken some dried red chilies and I have grinded this on a mixer grinder, and not completely fine powder, just like you get with your pizza in Domino's, just like that I have made this. So we'll add this chili flakes. Okay. Now another thing is, do not take much chili flakes than required, otherwise you are going to feel it tomorrow morning for sure. Rather than, I can also suggest you, if you are not a person of red chilies or you have some stomach issues, so you can go for green chilies as well. It will give you the same taste. But I like chili flakes because it gives a different aroma and a different flavor. So green chilies doesn't give me so, I feel. But you can also use green chilies as well. Try both of them. But if you are using chili flakes, make sure you don't use much, because excess amount is going to harm your stomach more. So make sure about it. You can see this Maggi has turned into a lovely reddish color. And this is what I like about this recipe. Adding chili flakes changes the color, the taste, and the aroma. And green chilies is only like going to come on your tongue, crushed by your teeth. Nothing much color. So result is here, giving you the tips. Now you can do as your wish. Okay, so my Maggi is completely ready right now. I have lowered the flame completely low. Remember, completely low flame. And now I'm going to add my cheese. Simple. Okay, so it looks nice, huh? Well, I'm not that fan of cheese, so I'm not going to use the full slice, just little, and I'll wrap this up back into the fridge, and I'm going to use it in the tomorrow's toast. Okay, so now what you can do is wrap your Maggi over it. This idea will help you melt your cheese faster, because my strategy is to mix this cheese completely with the Maggi, so it will be better if it cooks faster. So that's the reason I'm doing it this way. Just for 1 to 2 minutes, it will be soon melted. Cool. So I just quickly clean up. Remember, if you are cooking something, make sure you properly clean it up. Otherwise, your mom is going to kill you up. Okay, I'll serve my dish in this bowl. Okay, I think my cheese has melted, so I'll mix it up. I'm using this spatula, and this is going to help me in mashing this cheese as well. If you don't have this, it's okay. You can put a little more water in this and just cover with a lid. It will also be impactful in melting the cheese. Okay, this is one way. Like, I have completely mixed my cheese with the Maggi. Another thing you can do is firstly cook your Maggi. Okay, firstly cook your Maggi like this completely, and you can add a piece of cheese or a slice of cheese on the top of your, like you have taken a bowl, put your Maggi on this and place a slice of cheese on the top, and make sure you use a oven friendly container or a bowl, and you place it for 1 minute into the oven, and then you can also enjoy another form or another version of Maggi. It will also be very, very tasty. Even I have had that, but if I compare both, I love this much because it completely, like the cheese completely melts up with the Maggi, and every bite you take from here is going to give you the taste of the chili and the cheese both together. And Maggi's, that masala is already a hero, so nothing much in comparison with these two. And with this, our Maggi is properly done. You see, so beautiful. Okay, so I'll quickly garnish. I'll place it in the bowl and garnish it with some small pieces of cheese. So yeah, here you go. Okay, so now I'll try to design a pattern on my cheese just for garnishing. If you are serving this to your mom or your friend or your best friend or your dad, like, yes. So what you can do is you can take out a good shape out of this cheese which you have left. So I'm going to do the same here. Arey, hatna. Make sure if kids are seeing this, don't attempt it alone. Take help from your like brothers or sisters and ask them to. Like my hand literally shivers so much. I cannot believe. Okay, so I'm trying to do a heart shape. You can see. Fine. So not that great, but up to some extent, yes, it has been done. Okay, so here I'm not serving my mom and dad, so I'm doing it for myself because my mom and dad doesn't love cheese. So I love myself, so I'm doing it for me. So here you go with your cheese chili Maggi, and I'm going to show you how it tastes. So yeah. Hello guys, I'm back and I'm up with my Maggi. You see, this is looking so beautiful, and I'm going to taste it up right now and will tell you how it is. Super. This is super spicy, cheesy, amazing taste. Go for it guys. आपको ये वीडियो देख अगर ऐसा नहीं भी लगता है तो बनाओ, इसको देखो, बनाओ, खाओ, कमेंट में जरूर बताना कि आप लोगों को कैसी लगी ये। बुझा यार, गला सूख रहा है, पानी पिला दे। बहुत तीखा है, बहुत तीखा है। मेक श्योर कि आप अच्छे से चिली फ्लेक्स ज़्यादा मत डालना, बहुत स्पाइसी हो जाएगा। See you in the next video of mine. Thank you for watching. Make good decisions. Be kind. Stay safe. Thank you so much, guys.